अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान है। आज जुम्मतुल मुबारक है। रमज़ानुल मुबारक की 27वीं तारीख है। इस वक्त सुबह के 8:30 हैं। अब से कुछ लम्हों बाद आप समाअत फरमाएंगे क़ायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना का कौम के नाम पैगाम।
It will be our constant effort to work for the welfare and well-being of all the communities in Pakistan. And I hope that everyone will be inspired by the idea of public service, and they will be imbued with the spirit of cooperation, and will show their political and civic virtue which go to make a great nation. The creation of the new state has placed a tremendous responsibility on the citizens of Pakistan. It gives them an opportunity to demonstrate to the world how a nation containing many elements can live in peace and amity and work for the betterment of all its citizens irrespective of caste or creed.